All right, so in this video, we are required to find the value of t for which 1 over 3 into bracket t plus 5 is equal to 1 over 4 into bracket 5t minus 2. So basically, this is another algebraic equation. The first thing we need to do here is to rewrite this particular equation. There's a way you can rewrite it that will make it easier for you, right? So in that case, what I will do is I will just write this. Basically, t plus 5 can be written as t plus 5 over 1, because what is in between 1 over 3 and t plus 5 is multiplication. And you can take this one to be what? Over 1. So in that, indirectly, 1 times everything inside the bracket of t plus 5 can still be written as t plus 5 into bracket over 3 times 1, that is 3. Will now be equal to what? 1 times everything inside this bracket will still give me what? 5t minus 2. Then over 4 times 1, that is 4. So with what we have here, I can just cross multiply easily. Both of them are under the same roof. So if I cross multiply, what I'm going to be having, okay, let me bring this to this side and this to this side. So I have 3 into bracket 5t minus 2 is equal to what? 4 into bracket t plus what? 5. So let's use 3 to open this bracket. 3 times 5t, that will give me 15t. Then 3 times minus 2, that is what? Minus 6, will now be equal to 4 times t, that is 4t. Then 4 times 5, that is what? 20. Okay, so all we do now is collect like terms. Collect what? Like terms. So if we collect like terms, we are going to be having what? 15t. 40 is coming in, it will now be minus 4t. Don't forget, this is positive 4t and it's crossing the equality sign to turn to negative. And it's equal to what? This is plus 20. Then minus 6 is coming in, will now be plus 6. Okay, so 15t minus 4t will give me what? 11t. So this gives me 11t will now be equal to 20 plus 6, that is what? 26. So we can divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is 11. 11 cancel 11. So what we have at the end of it is what? T. Let's go to what? 26 over 11. But this is an improper fraction. So we need to take it back to a proper, mixed fraction equivalent. And a mixed fraction comprises of the what? The whole number and a proper fraction. So what is 26 divided by 11? 11 can we see in 26? It can only go twice. That's 2 whole numbers, something over 11. So 11 times 2, that is 22. Then 22 plus something will give us 26. That is 4. So that will give us 2 whole number, 4 over 11. So that is the solution to this particular problem. So please, if this solution has helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friend, and most importantly, comment. And if you feel led to partner with us or by encouraging us financially, please follow the description, the information there. We'll be looking forward to receiving from you. So see you in the next video. Thank you.